Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Is your Anthurium plant sitting forgotten in a corner of the house, causing the leaves to gradually turn yellow, the plant to grow slowly, and the flowers to become smaller, paler, and lacking vitality? In today's video, I will share with you an extremely simple method for caring for and restoring Anthurium plants using only familiar ingredients available right in the kitchen that anyone can easily prepare. This method will help support the root system in developing more healthily, stimulate the growth of more young roots, and increase the plant's ability to absorb nutrients. The leaves will become darker green, glossier, and healthier, reducing yellowing and helping the plant grow more vigorously over time. At the same time, the plant will bloom more consistently. The flowers will have brighter colors, more beautiful petals, and longer-lasting blooms. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss any plant care tips on the Great Garden channel. Let us begin. This Anthurium plant has not been properly cared for a long time. It looks quite weak, the leaves are not very green, and the flowers are small and pale, as if they lack vitality. From my observation, the upper stem has already started producing new roots. This is a very good sign because we can completely cut off this top section and propagate it, creating a new and healthier Anthurium plant. Use specialized scissors disinfected with alcohol and gently cut the stem. Please note that the section must have roots in order for the plant to survive. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After cutting, use wound sealing paste and lightly apply it to the cut area, as shown in the video. This helps limit bacterial and fungal infections, reduces tissue rot, and supports faster drying of the cut surface, helping the plant recover better after pruning. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. Next, gently rinse the plant under clean running water as shown in the video. While washing, handle the plant carefully to avoid damaging the young roots or any weak areas. This cleaning process helps remove old soil, dirt, and impurities still attached to the root system and stem after a long period of growth. At the same time, this is also a very important step in limiting fungal diseases, bacteria, and harmful insects remaining on the plant, especially around humid areas or newly treated cuts. This step also allows us to easily observe the actual condition of the root system so that damaged, rotten, or weak roots can be identified and treated before replanting or propagation. Next, apply a small amount of wound sealing paste to the base of the freshly cut Anthurium plant as shown in the video. This helps protect the cut surface from bacterial and fungal infections while reducing the risk of stem base rot. After that, place the plant in a dry, airy location away from direct sunlight so it can rest and allow the cuts to dry naturally. This helps prevent stem rot and root rot while supporting better recovery before replanting. While waiting, I will prepare an organic fertilizer solution. Do you have limes at home? Limes are not only a familiar fruit found in the kitchen, but they also contain many natural acids and minerals that are beneficial for plants. To prepare this natural fertilizer solution, First, use a knife to remove the lime peel as shown in the video. Lime peel contains many natural essential oils, organic acids, and beneficial minerals that help support antibacterial activity, limit fungal diseases, and improve the soil environment so the plant can grow more healthily. If this video helps you better understand how to properly care for your plants, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos. Next, slice the lime peel into thin pieces as shown in the video. This helps the essential oils and nutrients inside the lime peel release more easily when soaked or mixed with water, allowing the solution to work more effectively when used on plants. After slicing, place all of the prepared lime peel into a clean glass cup, as shown in the video. The next ingredient I use is coffee. Coffee contains many organic compounds and natural minerals that are beneficial for plants, helping improve soil aeration, supporting healthier root development, and stimulating greener and more vigorous growth. Add about 3 spoons of coffee into the cup containing the lime peel as shown in the video. Next, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to dissolve and extract the nutrients contained in the mixture. After that, use a spoon to stir thoroughly so the coffee completely dissolves, helping the nutrients from the coffee and lime peel blend better into the water and increase effectiveness when used on plants. This helps the plant absorb nutrients more easily, supports healthy root development, improves leaf color, and helps the plant grow more steadily over time. Finally, close the lid and steep the solution for 1 hour. While waiting, we will prepare the growing medium for planting. First, put on gloves to prevent dirt from sticking to your hands and to reduce direct contact with bacteria or fungi in the soil. Next, prepare about 50% garden soil. Garden soil contains many natural minerals and has good nutrient retention ability, helping the plant develop more steadily after replanting. The next ingredient is 50% coconut coir. Coconut coir has excellent moisture retention properties, helps make the growing medium looser and more airy, and creates favorable conditions for healthy root development. After that, place both ingredients into a clean pot and mix thoroughly as shown in the video. Mixing at the correct ratio helps balance moisture retention and aeration, reduces the risk of root rot, and helps the plant adapt more easily after planting. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. That is it. We now have a growing medium mixture ready for the next step. After about 1 hour, when the lime peel and coffee solution has completely cooled, I will filter out the residue and keep only the pure liquid solution as shown in the video. Filtering out the residue helps keep the solution cleaner, reduces sediment buildup, and prevents soil compaction when used on plants. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, add about 1 liter of clean room temperature water to dilute the solution. Now, we have completed the natural fertilizer solution for the plant. Pour the lime peel and coffee solution into a clean cup, as shown in the video. Next, soak the entire root system and stem of the Anthurium plant in the solution for an appropriate amount of time. This helps the root system absorb natural nutrients more effectively, supports the development of young roots, and helps the plant recover more quickly after pruning and cleaning. In addition, the natural compounds in the solution help gently clean the root surface and support limiting fungal diseases attached to the plant. Next, use a soft cotton pad soaked in the solution and gently wipe the leaves of the plant as shown in the video. This step removes dirt from the leaf surface, helps the leaves become more airy, increases photosynthesis, and helps the leaves become glossier, greener, and healthier. After that, soak the plant in the solution for about 15 minutes. The remaining solution will be poured into a spray bottle and stored in the refrigerator. With this method, the solution can be stored for 3 to 5 days, saving time for people who are very busy. After about 15 minutes, gently remove the plant from the coffee and lime peel solution as shown in the video. Next, use soft tissue paper or a clean dry cloth to gently wipe and absorb any remaining moisture on the stem, leaves, and root system. This helps the plant remain dry and airy, reduces excessive moisture that can cause fungal diseases or root rot, and helps the plant adapt better before replanting into the new growing medium. Now we come to the most important step, replanting the plant into a new pot. Prepare a plastic pot with many drainage holes as shown in the video. These holes help improve aeration and reduce water accumulation that can cause root rot. First, spread a layer of growing medium across the bottom of the pot to create a cushion for the root system. Next, place the plant in the center of the pot so the roots are evenly spread and the stem stands naturally upright. After that, gently add more soil until the plant is firmly secured. Do not compact the soil too tightly because that will reduce aeration and negatively affect future root development. That is it. The planting process is complete. At this point, Simply use clean water to gently water around the base of the plant as shown in the video. This moisture helps the growing medium retain the necessary humidity, supports the roots in adapting quickly to the new environment, and helps the plant recover more steadily after planting. After that, place the plant in a dry, airy location, or an area with gentle morning sunlight for 3 days. This helps the plant photosynthesize more effectively, limits excessive moisture loss, and creates favorable conditions for healthy root development during recovery. After about 3 days, when the plant has gradually stabilized and adapted to the new growing medium, take the coffee and lime solution stored in the refrigerator and gently spray it evenly from the base, stem, roots, and leaf surfaces of the Anthurium plant as shown in the video. This natural solution helps provide nutrients to the plant, supports healthier root development, stimulates glossier, greener leaves, and helps the plant recover more quickly after replanting. In addition, the natural compounds in the mixture help limit fungal diseases and support the plant in maintaining more stable vitality over time. Results. After about 3 months of consistently applying this method, the Anthurium plant will recover strongly and develop much more steadily. The leaves become darker green, glossier, and thicker than before. New leaves grow larger, fuller, and healthier while reducing yellowing and dry leaf edges. The stem becomes sturdier and the plant stands stronger and shows noticeably improved vitality after a period of care. The root system underneath develops vigorously, producing many healthy white roots that help the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively. As a result, the plant grows faster and more steadily over time. Most importantly, the plant will begin producing flowers more consistently and beautifully. The Anthurium flowers will display deeper, richer colors, thicker petals, and a more attractive, glossy appearance. The flowers will also become larger, the flower stalks stronger, and the blooms will remain on the plant much longer. If you found this Anthurium care method useful, do not forget to press like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to follow more simple but effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next videos.